welcome to our channel. This is Kanika from Kanak. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon for receiving further notifications. In today's video, I'll share how to do watercolor effect on your bookmarks, tags, or even you can do those effect on your card. Distress ink and stenciling is optional, so if you like, you can do it, otherwise you can skip on this. So let's get started. So I'm starting by taking cardstock of good quality which can resist water and have pre-cut it as per my choice. Next I have taken this Crafty for easy coloring purpose. So I have taken yellow color on my brush pen and randomly applying on my craft mat. So I'm using watercolors from Camlin and I'm diluting it with little bit of water and applying on my craft mat, as you can see. After yellow, I decided to move on to the next color, which is orange. So now I'm applying the orange color. So after orange color is applied, I'm putting up now the red color on my craft mat. Now I'm mixing the colors little bit with the help of water. After this, I am just dipping my hand in the bowl full of water and just sprinkling the water all over the background. Just make sure that you don't get bigger droplets of water. As I am satisfied with my background, so I'll take my tag and lay it over the colors. See how cool it looks. I wanted more colors in the bookmark, so I just sprinkled water again, and using my brush I'm just placing the droplets of water and now again placing the tag over the colors. Next I took my tissue paper and wiped off the extra water on the bookmark. What's the best part about this technique is you can reapply how many times the color until you are fully satisfied with the application. The craft mat is from Itsy Bitsy. I wanted more yellow color in my bookmark, so I am reapplying the yellow color onto my craft mat. If the backside of your bookmark gets dirty. The color was left in my craft mat, so I applied that color on the backside of the bookmark too. This is how it looks after it is fully dried. Next I decided to stencil the bookmark, so I am stenciling it using distress ink. So as you know, I am asking questions for the giveaway, and the first question is already posted on our Instagram story at Kanak Jaipur. So are you ready for the second question? Oh, let us wait for some time. After completing my stenciling part, I decided to sprinkle water. As you know, distress inks are water reactive and gives beautiful effect. So I decided to do this. Let the distress ink and water react, and after 10 seconds, just wipe off the extra water from your bookmark. I decided to sprinkle the water again to give it more beautiful effect. This is how both sides of the bookmark looks like. This is the final outcome of our bookmark. You can see how colorful and beautiful it looks. Similarly, I created another tag of heart shape. Do you know the winner of the giveaway will get this 5th August tag? Here's another bookmark which I created. The same effect can be given without using watercolor and with just using distress ink. Do you want to learn? Comment down below and let me know. We'll surely make another tutorial. Here's another tag which I created. The background blue color is done using the watercoloring technique, and on the top I did stenciling using distress ink. Wanna learn 3D stenciling like this? Just comment down below and let me know whether you are interested in this. We'll surely make another next tutorial of this technique. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to participate in the current giveaway which is happening on our Facebook page. The link is mentioned in the description box below. So happy crafting! So the second question is, what is the name of the in-house brand of Itsy Bitsy? You need to comment down the name of the brand in the comment section below.